so wide. Red car comes, it's full of fun, bouncing apples by the ton. Purple car with bubbles wide, floating gently side to side. Green cars jumping, what's the sound? Ribbit frogs all hopping round. Here comes blue with raindrops sweet, splishing, splashing near Panda's feet. All the cars are on the track, Panda waves and won't look back. Red to purple, colors bright, riding rainbows feels just right.